considered in length the application of the Ciira Kibawat case. And in 2 cases, both courts held that the obligation of the IBC under Article 257 and 4 and 5 of the Constitution was not an administrative exercise, but it was a very serious and heavy constitutional obligation that was placed on the IBC with very serious implications that could not and cannot be left to a 2-member majority. The question therefore at this point would be, what would happen if at all we are to agree with the submissions of the apparent that the quorum ought to be 3 and not 5? My Lord, currently the IBC has 7 members as constituted today. It therefore means that for any decision that has to be made by the 7 members of the commission, we only need 3 as part of the quorum. That would mean that in any instance, we have 2 members that are making a decision that is going to bind the commission